Namaste students. So in previous class we have learned HCF. So HCF have we find the HCF using three methods. First one prime factorization, common factors and using division method. Okay. So all the methods we have already solved. Then find out the HCF. So and then another one concept, very important concept, LCM to the what about we can learn the next chapter fractions that has to be helpful for LCM. So what is the LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So we have understand multiples. Multiple means it is the greatest number of the given number. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, that is called as multiple. Okay, so we can find out the multiple. There we can find the LCM using two methods. Which one is prime factorization methods and division method? So here two methods are different. Compare the HCF. Okay, HCF compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ LCM full different. Full different. ಅಲ್ಲಿ prime factorization same, prime factorization is same, but you can take the common, it is different. And also division method also, that is also different. Okay, so here ಎಚ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋವು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೂಡ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಂ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ very important concept. Okay, so now I have to taken for the easiest method. So I will use 50 and 60. So find the LCM. So first one, find the LCM. LCM using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. So okay. So now I will take the numbers 50 and 60. First one question, 50 and 60. Okay. Do the prime factorization. 50, 60. Okay, here 5 we can take. Here also 5 we can take. Okay, common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 0 ಇದೆ. So you can directly take the 5. 5 10 the 50. Next taken 2. 2 5 the 10. So it is enough. 2 5 the because prime number. Next 5 1 the 5 to the 12. Yes. 5 to the 10. Next taken 2 6 the. Next again 2 3 the. 2 3 the. So now, so we have completed the prime factorization. Taken the common now. 50. Next 60. Take the common. Okay. 5 into 2 into 5. Next 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Take the common. So which are the numbers are common? Taken. Here 5 is common. Here 2 is common. Okay. First taken common 5 into 2. Next ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಉಳಿದಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದಾವೆ? ಸೊ ಟೇಕನ್ 5 into 2 into 3. Is it right? 5 into 5 into 2 3. So 5 to the 10, 10 5 the 50, 50 to the 100, 100 3 the 300. LCM is 300. This is a method. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಚ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋವಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ದವರು ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? 5 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗುರುಜಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. 250, 400 and then 750, or we can take in any one number 120, 180 and 190. So we can take it. Okay, so second one number. So I will show that prime factorization method using three numbers. I have to show two numbers. I will show because remaining numbers are only three numbers are there given. 120, second one 120, next to 180, next to 190. Okay, using the prime factorization 120, next to 180, next to 190. Okay, taken 5, taken 5, 5 to the 10, 2 remaining, 5 for the 20. Next 2, 2 1 the 2 to the, is it right? Next 2 6 the, next to 2 3 the. Okay, 524 the 120 s. 2 can be 212 the s, is it right? Completed. Now I will take again 5 here because we can take the common is easy. Can take the common easy. Okay, 5 3 the 15, is it right? Next 3 remaining, 5 6 the 30. Next again taken 2 even number, 2 1 the 2, 2 8 the, is it right? 2 8 the. Next 2 9 the, next 3 3 the, 3 3 the. Next I will go for 190. 190 we can take. So this is also we can using 5. 5 3 the 15, 5 8 the 40. 5 3 the 15, 5 3 the 15, 4 remaining, 5 8 the 40. Taken 2 again. 2 1 the 2 9 the, 2 1 the 2 9 the. So now completing the prime factorization method, find out the LCM. So it is completed. Prime factorization is completed. Now you can check any doubts are there. So 5 3 the 15, 5 8 the 40, 2 1 the 2 9 the. Okay, so 19 is a prime number. I have to stop the prime factorization. So after the completion of the prime factorization, taken common 120, next 180, next to 190. First write the common factors. 5 into, next to 2 into, next 2 into 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, then 3, next 5 into, 2 into, 2 into, 3 into 3. Yes, yes, is it right? Next 5 into 2 into 19. Now taken the common. So here 5 is common. Next 2 is common. Guruji, after completion of 3 numbers common over, then we can take the 2 numbers having the common is there. Check it. Yes. Yes. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. 5 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 3. ಈ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ದವು ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? 2 3 19, 2 3 19. Multiply. Now 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 23 the 60, 60 to the 120, 123 the 360. Check it once again. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 23 to the 60, 60 to the 60 to the 120, 120 to the 360, 360 into 19, 360 into 19, 19 0 to 0. Okay, 9 0 to 0, 9 6 to 54, 9 6 to 54, 5 carry, 9 3 27, 27 plus 5, 32, 54. Okay, next plus 1 0 to 0, 1 6 to 6, 1 3 to 3. Next 0 4 8 6, 6840. So LCM is what? LCM is 6840. This is your answer. 6840. So keep it mind. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟು ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ LCM. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ least common multiple LCM. So you have understand. So now I will go for division method. Now look at the board. Find the LCM using division method. Here division method. So in the find the HCF, only prime numbers, so co-prime numbers will become. We have to stop the division. But here division method up to 1. ಅಪ್ ಟು 1 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಗುರುಜಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Okay, just one more example. I will take the example. You have understand that 75, 120, 120. So these numbers are having 0 and 5 is there. I will take using 5. Okay, 5 to the 10. So wait, 5 on the 5. So is remaining 2, 5, 5 the 25. Next to 5 to the 10, no, 5 for the 20. Next 5, so check the 3 as 6 and 6 as 3 can be divided. 3, 5 the 15, 3, 8 the 24. Next, let me take 2. 2 in the 5 divided agala. We should write as it is. 5 hanga barkobeku. Next 8 to 2 for the 8. 2 for again we can take 2. 5 as it is. 2 to the next again taken 5. Okay, after that we can take 2. 5 and the 2 cannot divide as it is. We should write it. Next 2, 1, 1. ಸೊ 1 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಟೇಕನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, 5 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. 5 3 the 15, 15 to the 30, 35 the 150, 154 the 600, 154 the 600. LCM is 600. Okay, LCM is called 600. Can we 600? Now I will take another one example. 120, 144, 180. Now we can check yes, 600. That is a correct answer. Now 120, 144 and 180. Let me divide the number. 144, 120 and 180. Okay, taken 2. Let me take 2. Okay, now 2 7 the 14, 2 to the, is it right? Yes, 2 7 the 14, 2 to the 7. Next 2 6 the 12, 2 0 the 0. Next 2 9 the 18, 2 0 the 0. Next again taken 2. Okay, 2 3 the 6, 2 6 the 12, 2 30 the 2 45 the 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10. Next I am using again 2. I will using 2. Next 2 1 the 2 18 the 2 1 the 2 18 the next 2 1 the 2 5 the 45 again as it is because it is cannot divide 45. Next I will using 5. I am using 5. Next to 18 as it is. Next to 5 3 the 5 9 the. Okay. I will take again 3 3 6 the 3 1 the 3 3 the. Yes. It is completely divide. Now very easy. Now 3 2 the 1 as it is 3 1 the. Next I am using 2 1 1 1. Okay, so now we have get the numbers. So now we have to multiply the all the numbers. We have get the LCM. So what are the numbers? Okay, 2 into how many 2? 1 2 3 4 4. Next 3 how many? 1 2 and 5. Okay, uh, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 the 48, 16 3 the 48, 48 3 the, okay, we can multiply. So 8 is the 16 is the 48, 48 and 15, 48 and 15, 48 and 15, 15 8 the, so 5 8 the 40, 4 carry, 5 in 5 for the 20, 20 plus 2, 20 plus 4, 24. Next cross the carry, 1 8 the 8, 1 4 the 4. Next 0, 12, 1 carry, 720. Yes, 720. LCM is 720. Okay, this is the finding the HCF and LCM. So this is the LCM. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಪ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ 1 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್? So 45, so 240 and 360 I will solve that. Remember that last question. I will solve the last question. 240 and 360. So last one, 240, 360. Find the LCM. 240, 360. So I think it is also 720. Okay, no problem. Okay, can we check 5? 5 on the 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20, 5 8 the 40. 5 to 5 for 20, 5 8 the 40. Next 5 7 the 35, 5 7 the 35, remaining 5 to the 10. Next, can we check 3? 3 1 the 316 the 3 1 the 3 6 the. Next 3 2 the 3 4 the. Next, can we check 2? Yes. Okay, 2 8 the 2 12 the 2 8 the 2 12 the. Next to 2 4 the. Next to 2 6 the. Next again taken 2 2 2 the 2 3 the. Next again taken 2 2 1 the 3 as it is. Next again taken 3 3. So let me divide, find out the number. Okay, now taken the numbers 1 2 3 4 1 okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next 3 into 3, 3 into 3, multiply. Here I get the answer. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 80, 89 the 89, 720. Yes, 720. LCM is 720. LCM is 720. So this is the answer. So this is the division method. Okay, exercise 6G, remaining questions you have to solve in HW. Okay, today what I'm writing in the board, that is in CW. Okay, I hope all of you understand. So any doubts are there, I have to clarify in the live classes. Okay. Don't worry. So you cannot clarify in the live classes, come to the school and then I will solve the remaining doubts. Okay, students, this is a multiple factors chapters will be finished. I will give fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So lesson number 4, 5, 6. I will give the predict test 3. Okay, all of you read these lessons and prepare well for the predict test 3. Dhanyavad students. Dhanyavad.